Guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to see this beautiful short haircuts that are so gorgeous for beautiful matured women. This hair is just so sleek and it's a kind of hair that will fit all face shape. Whether you have round face or the oval face, this haircut is for you. I just one thing I love about the style is just the way it complements the skin tone. Whether you are Melanie or you are the light skinned lady, this particular hairstyle is for you. See how beautiful it is also on the senior, because one thing with this style is that beautiful style that will make you want to have it always, because one thing about the culture saying is that it will make you to enjoy quick hairstyle styling, and it will stop making you to waste so much time in front of your mirror every day. You know, we all know that there was a time where women really tried to hide their names, but now you can see how women have really embraced their textured coils, and they are so proud to really try different hairstyles, even those that are also having alopecia, whether the hair loss. This video is for you because you will see some different styles on how you can transition from alopecia to bald hair or even a boy's cut, because many of those hairstyles are that kind of cut that will always look pretty on you, and have this at the back of your mind that they are that flattery haircut that will make you look so gorgeous. So we know it's really a bold step, but after a quick look on the style, I will be sure that you will really want to have your own haircut too. So this style you can see is that kind of beautiful style that will make you look classy, and it will take many years of your age. There's no need to really worry about your hair, and all I want you to know is that have this at the back of your mind that when it comes to this kind of sleek beautiful styles, you always have in mind that moisturizing is the key to always make it look good, and plus your get hair, you are good to go. Your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below, okay? I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you, and please stay locked to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.